How to give your garden a 0.5 skimmer fade on a perm. Watch the video. How to cut your garden in less than a day. Chop, chop, chop. So hard. Hi, fucking hell, don't even go on my camera. What was the metal, man? Some next, like, 7 foot tall person to get up there. That's why I said like 7 foot plus. What? Milk bottle? Just goes right in the ground. Ugh. Actually, that's cheap to cut the garden.
Joking, man. It's been stuck in the chicken wire.
You got it stuck in your chicken wire?
Yeah, I didn't even fucking put it near there.
You're gonna fucking break.
I was pushing the milk bottle though.
Yeah, but you should have just got it with your hand. Ah.
Get that out with the choppers, not the fingers. Get what out? That there. I'm supposed to get that out. Oh wait. Look.
What? Yeah, that's why someone used, I can't remember who used them. One of them was me. Said, "Oh, you need a freaking petrol one." You might want to go through it.
Fucking do need it petrol.
These ain't that much. They're a bit below. Just keeps getting like stuck.
Yo, this ain't coming out this way.
Looks it gets stuck in the middle of it.
It's a shit design.
Hey. Timber.
big man thing.
You can never tell how thick it is on that side. What are you doing? Using the other one?
Yeah, they have wine.
Yeah, I bet the other one would be even worse. Fucking alley-o. Bag of soil. Trying to pick it up with that bag of soil. Chop the head off. Alley-o. Look at this fucking fire. So one big thing is probably going right through.
Will the bars fall out?
Yeah, we'll just slide it across.
Told you. I told you that. Oh.
Stuck on that bit.
Grass is that weedy together. Like Tom should put all that shit there.
Oh, is that from where he put it?
Yeah.
I haven't seen that blue chair in ages. Titled How to Give Your Garden a Skin Fade and Perm. Say bin. made it with fucking wire. What are these bloody things here? These orange and black things. Poisonous. They're like little worm things. Something that's never happened on the channel, cutting bushes and cutting down bushes. Yeah, you're okay. What? Oh, just going through. Yo. Yo. Huh? I was just trimming the top. video, don't forget to click on the subscribe button down below. Turn on post notifications to keep updated with the channel. Leave a like on the video. Also click on the bell icon so you can keep up to date with everything that I'm posting. As I always say, go out there, be safe, be kind to one another. Peace.